Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out snapping some photos.
But this time, Chris isn't going to be doing the editing.
That's right, today we're hiring some Fiverr editors.
So today we're going to be doing a little bit of an experiment. We're going to go out and take some photos and then we're going to send them to editors online from a website called Fiverr.
That's right. So if you don't know what Fiverr is, it's an online website that offers tons of different services by freelance people online. So you can hire people for just about anything, including video editing and photography editing. So the plan is to take a couple portrait shots, and then I've got an idea for something fun that we can try. But we're gonna send these photos off and see what we get back, and we'll compare, you know, the $5 cheap one with the $10, $20 edit, and see what we like best.
Fair enough. Let's go take some photos.
First place we're hitting is this parking garage. Now, normally the top is usually pretty empty. We've shot photos here before.
But that was on a weekend.
It's looking a little full today, so I don't know. We're gonna walk up, we'll see what happens. All right, so we made it to the top. There's still a lot of cars.
Yeah.
But
it's a lot different than the last time we were here.
That's for sure. But I think this will work if we just aim this way. Alright, we got some good rooftop shots, even though there's a lot of cars around.
And a lot of wind.
Definitely a lot of wind.
Oh, on to the next location.
All right, let's go. All right, we are back at LC Perrin, one of our favorite spots for photo taking. Nice and picturesque here, usually more in the summer. Right now it's still a little bare in the springtime, but nonetheless, great spot for snapping a couple quick portrait shots.
Absolutely. Costume change.
All right, so for the final shot, we wanted to do something a little more extravagant, have kind of a weird request. So we thought we would do a shot where Courtney is running away, and we'll tell them to fill in the background with either natural disaster or superhero type stuff, something that she's running away from. Anyway, we should get some interesting results this way. Switching out the 50mm for the wider lens so we can get more of the background, but it should work out pretty well. Yeah, so basically we'll shoot it this way and you just run right down, and that leaves kind of a whole background for them to edit with.
That's my scared face.
That's a pretty good scared face.
I thought of spiders.
I was just about to ask you, what in your mind were you running away
Yeah,
from?
it was definitely a gigantic spider.
Wild Wild West style.
Yep. That was pretty quick. Nailed it.
All right, so I gotta say, I am probably most excited to see the edits on this one.
I'm curious to see what I'll be running from.
All right, it's been a day or two. We've got the photos back. Courtney saw the photos that I picked out. We picked out 3 in particular.
Right.
She knows what I sent away, but I haven't shown her any of the results yet. So we'll show them to her now, and we'll get a genuine reaction of what she thinks
I'm excited.
of these edits. So the first photo that we sent away was one from the top of the car
Oh,
parking
the car
lot.
park, yes.
So this is the raw photo. This is the one that that I took.
Okay.
All right. So here is the first edit.
Oh, wow. That looks really nice, actually.
So she did a lot of like retouching
Yeah,
on
yeah,
your
definitely
face
a lot of-
and on your skin.
Yeah.
The colors are a little bit brighter.
Mm-hmm. I look like a porcelain doll.
Yeah.
Very
it's
much
a
so.
really good edit.
Yeah, it's a beautiful photo.
I'm pretty happy with that one.
Yeah, I like it.
All right, so the second edit was this one.
Okay.
So this
So
one's
we added
a lot
more
different.
to the sky, very blue. I think that I like the first one better.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one's very oversaturated.
Yeah, definitely a lot more blues. These pulled some clouds and things going on in the sky. I definitely I like the coloring in the other one. The edit is
So there's
the
the first edit.
for sure. I think because of the background, I stand out more in this one, for sure, in the first edit. So.
All right, so for those, we did a $5 edit and a $10 edit.
Okay.
So there's not a huge difference there, considering there's some that are up to $100, $150 per photo. So we suck on the lower end here. So a $5 and a $10. Do you want to?
Well, that one has to be the $10.
You're wrong.
Really?
Yeah. So that's
Wow.
actually the cheaper one.
Wow, I'm very impressed. Great skills. Fantastic editing. I prefer the $5 one.
The $5 edit wins on that one.
Mm-hmm. I like it. Looks great. I love it. Next. I want to see.
Okay. All right. So the second photo was the red shoes with the sweater out in the forest. So that was the original one.
Okay.
Now we did send away to 2 editors for this one, but the one editor did not get back in time. So we only have 1 edit for this.
So I'm going to have to like this one by default.
All right. So here is the edit.
Oh my. The shoes and the pants are blah. Okay.
So more saturation in the color, obviously,
Yes,
all around.
definitely. I like how
You
She's
had a
made
piece of
everything
hair
pop.
over your face.
Yeah.
And that's gone.
okay.
It looks like you have lipstick on now.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, the colors definitely pop a lot more. The skin is smooth.
I like it. I'm so used to the way you edit
Right.
that when people overdo it the other way, I guess, I don't know, it always throws me for a loop. I think I prefer the way you edit, except for
I
that
never
last, I
oversaturate
feel
my
like you would have edited similar to the photo that I like in the previous picture.
Right. Yes. Very light. And
Yeah.
airy
Yes,
looking.
definitely. I like it. It's a fantastic edit. It doesn't look bad at all. I like that she's added lipstick because I didn't wear any, and I like that the colors pop. It looks really nice.
I wish we had another one to compare it with, but we don't have the other one. So that was the $10 edit.
Okay. All right.
So another $10.
Great job. I love it. Oh yes, I can't see now.
Okay. So,
I just want to look. I feel compelled. I won't. I'll look the other way.
All right. So the third photo we did was the one we thought we'd have a little bit more fun with.
And this one I'm most excited about to see what people came up with.
This was the original that we ended up choosing. We had a couple really good ones.
Yes.
But I love the facial expression in this one. It looks hilarious. We had a lot of room in the background for them to play with. We have a $20 edit and a $5 edit.
Okay.
In this one. All right.
Big difference. We went big, 20 and a 5. I'm curious to see what people came up with.
All right, here is the first edit that we got back.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. I like, oh, he or she, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
They changed the background entirely.
Yes, so they've cut you out completely from the other photo and just
that's hilarious.
Thrown you onto this zombie
here.
Apocalypse here.
That's so funny. That's hilarious. I did not expect that. Well done. I love it. Oh my gosh.
And then here is the other one.
Oh, interesting take. Again, completely changed the background.
Yes, again, they didn't add anything to the background, which is what we had asked for in the request. We said add something to the background that you're running away from. But both artists decided to go with just the cut you out and put you in a completely different background. Which is fine. It's definitely the easier way to go.
It's so funny because what you're envisioning or I'm envisioning is totally different.
And we did, so when we sent off the request, we did give them full creative control. We said, we don't care what you put in the background as long as it's scary and she's running away from something.
Yeah.
I thought they would just add something to our photo and leave like
a monster or some kind of crazy thing like that.
It's funny because we specifically went to a street like that was lined with trees. Right. Because we kind of had something in mind, but they completely cut the back out, which is fine, hilarious.
Both are really well done.
So we have a $5 and a $20. What do you think they are?
This one's the 20.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can tell by me.
Okay.
I'm more clear. My color is the same, whereas the other one, it's not.
Right, it doesn't match the rest of...
Correct.
Yeah.
I look very gray.
Yeah, he grayed you out to match the...
Yeah. I don't know. Both are well done. Very well done.
Yeah.
I like them both. Such interest. It's interesting to see what other people take and put on it, you know? I don't know. Totally different from one.
Now, I do have a bonus photo for you.
A bonus photo?
Yes, a bonus photo.
Okay.
So, when I sent off the request for this particular photo, the one of Courtney running away, I got a photo back from a guy, and it wasn't exactly what I asked for. I had to ask for a revision, and then he sent us the one that we were just looking at. But here's the original photo that we got back.
Okay. That's not scary at all.
Yeah, so I had to ask for a revision. I said, I asked for something scary. What exactly is she running away from? But flowers.
That's hilarious. Okay. Well, the second edit was much better done.
Yes, much closer to what we asked for.
Yes. Those turned out really good, though. I love people's takes on them. Yeah. I think my favorite one is the one of the car. On the car.
Yeah,
the car park.
One of the first ones we did. Yeah,
that edit was amazing.
Yep, definitely. Well, that was a fun little experiment.
Yeah, we'll have to do it again soon.
It's always really weird sending your photos for someone else to edit, especially when you're so used to editing your own photos. But it's funny because I never would have ended up with edits like that.
Right.
For sure.
Oh, definitely.
My edits would have looked a lot different. So It's interesting to see everyone else's take. So I don't know. If you ever need photo editing or something like that, Fiverr is definitely an option for you.
Mm-hmm. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. So windy up here. This is a bad news curse. It's like our family photo shoot all over again.
Remember that time you decided to go down the cliff at out at Kamoka and you almost fell down the hill? Yeah, no.
I do remember.
No. I do too. I also see your life flash before my eyes. I was gonna have to fucking scale a mountain.